Hello students, welcome in Babita Science tutorial. Let's continue our chapter class 10 life process NCERT science. Okay. Now in this activity we can understand that carbon dioxide is a very necessary for the photosynthesis. With the help of this activity you can understand. Let us start this activity. Students, here we can take the two healthy potted plants. Okay, two healthy potted plants which are nearly the same size and keep them in a dark room for 3 days. Students, in the first point they want to say we can take the two potted plant, this one and you will keep this potted plant in the dark room for the 3 days. Why we will keep this potted plant into the dark room? Because to remove its starch from the leaves. In the second point I will explain, I have already explained you. Now third point, now place each plant on a separate glass plates. Place a watch glass containing a potassium hydroxide by the side of the one of the plants. The potassium hydroxide is used to absorb the carbon dioxide. Here the function is also given here. Now after the 3 days you will take the two glass plates, this one and keep the potted plant in the one glass plate and the second plant in the second glass plates. And besides of this one you will keep the one watch glass. This one is the watch glass in which potassium hydroxide is present here. The formula of the potassium hydroxide is a KOH. Okay, and the student, the function of this KOH is that it can absorb the carbon dioxide. Okay, then why we keep the potassium hydroxide here in this potted plant? Because if any carbon dioxide is left inside this plant, then this potassium hydroxide can absorb it from this plant. Okay, now in the fourth point, cover both plants with a separate bell jars as shown in figure 6.4. Student, this one is your bell jar, this one, and you will cover very nicely this potted plant with the bell jar and use the wax also, or you can use the Vaseline also to seal the bottom. Means totally you can pack it like this that no air will go inside it. That's why we can use the Vaseline here. If we will use the Vaseline here, then it is a totally packed, no air will goes inside this jar. Okay, that's why we can use the Vaseline here. Now keep the plant in the sunlight for about 2 hours. Okay, now again after that you will keep this plant in the sunlight, okay, for about 2 hours. Okay, now you will see the bottom of the jars in the glass plates, so in one glass plate, so that the setup is the airtight. Students, we have put the Vaseline here in the first one. Okay, why we put the Vaseline? Because no air will be goes inside it. In the second one we haven't put the here Vaseline. Okay, this one is the glass jar and this one is your glass plate, and inside this glass jar this potted plant is present here. Now after that, in the sunlight for about 2 hours. Now this one, plug the leaf from the each plant and check the presence of a starch as in the above activity. Do both the leaves show the presence of the same amount of the starch? What can you conclude from this activity? Students, let's not perform this activity here. We can plug the leaves from this potted plant also and from this potted plant also. You know, before testing or before doing this experiment, we have some steps. First we will do this all the step. Now you will take these leaves from both the potted plant, and in the first one you can boil it. Okay, Why we boil it? To make the cell membrane loose. Okay. In the second step, you will boil this leaf in the alcohol. Why we will boil this leaf in the alcohol? To remove the chlorophyll. Okay. And in the third step, after boiling in the alcohol, you will remove this leaf from the alcohol and wash it in the plain water. Okay, why we wash it in the plain water? Because if any chlorophyll is left in the leaf, then it will be drained out. Okay, that's why we will wash it. Now in the fourth step, okay, you can take the leaf, okay, in which chlorophyll is not present. In the both leaf, no chlorophyll is present. It's a totally white in color. Okay, now put a iodine solution. In the fifth step, you will put the iodine solution in the both the leaf. Suppose that this leaf is from A potted plant and this leaf is from the B potted plant. Okay, then what will happen? Tell me, students, here. Again, I will draw the structure of the leaf. Suppose that this is a leaf, okay, and this one is again here leaf. This is from the A part and this leaf is from your B potted plant. Now when we put the here iodine solution in it, then what happened? Okay, which one can change the color? When we put the iodine solution in the both the leaf, which one can show the blue black color? This one, B1. B1 can show the blue black color. Why it can show the blue black color? Because when we keep this potted plant in the sunlight for the 2 hours, then it can gain the sunlight. Okay, and chlorophyll is present inside this leaf, and this chlorophyll trap the sunlight and it helps in the making the food. Okay, it means in this leaves starch is also present here. Now when we put the iodine solution on the starch, because we can use the iodine solution for the starch test, then it can show the blue black color. But here in the first one, potassium hydroxide we have kept here, then potassium hydroxide can absorb all the carbon dioxide from this potted plant. That's why in this leaf no color will change and no any color will come here, because in this one plant cannot make their food. Okay, and this potted plant, the students, this potted plant is a totally sealed. Okay, because we have applied here the Vaseline, that's why no air is a goes inside it. That's why these plants cannot make their food with the help of the sunlight. Then this can shows that carbon dioxide is a very necessary for the photosynthesis. Then in the conclusion we can see that photosynthesis to make a starch in the leaf does not take place without carbon dioxide. Then student, this experiment proved that carbon dioxide is very necessary for the photosynthesis. Now let's see here in the another paragraph here. Based on the two activities performed above, we can design on experiment to demonstrate that sunlight is essential for the photosynthesis. Students, with the help of this experiment also, you can show that sunlight is essential for the photosynthesis. This experiment we can use for the purpose of the sunlight also, and second one, carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, so far we have talked about the autotrophs. Means autotrophs can take their energy from the photosynthesis. Okay, and they can take another raw materials. Okay, another raw materials for building their body. Okay, water used in photosynthesis, water is used in the photosynthesis, which can take from the soil by the roots in the testral plants. Testral plants are those plants which can found on the lands, that is called the tester plants. And other materials like a NPK, that is nitrogen, phosphorus, potassiums, iron and magnesiums. Okay, these all are minerals taken from the soil. Then nitrogen is essential. You know, students, nitrogen is a very important for the plant to make the protein. Synthesis means make. Okay, make of protein and other compounds. Then this is taken up in the form of inorganic nitrates or nitrates. The nitrates and nitrites are the nitrogen compound. Formula of this one is NO3 negative. Okay, once again I will write here NO NO3 negative, and nitrates is a NO2 negative. Plants can take this nitrogen in the forms of nitrates and nitrites, or it is taken up as the organic compound which have been prepared by the bacteria from the atmospheric nitrogen, and it is taken from the it is taken organic compound from the soils also. Okay, which is made by the bacteria, or it can help in the conversion of the nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, into the nitrates or nitrates. Then this is all about this activity. In my next video I will explain you heterotrophic nutrition. Till then you can understand this activity, try to understand, and draw this diagram also and write in your copy also. If you have any problem, then comment me in my comment box. I will make the video on that problems. Till then, bye and have a nice day.